This could be the car for you. The 2024 Lincoln Nautilus. Transcend the ordinary. Get behind the wheel of this distinctive Nautilus and experience the comfort of a luxury sedan coupled with the versatility of an SUV, all wrapped up in high-end style. Well equipped with the latest tech to keep you safe, connected, relaxed, and focused, this midsize crossover redefines the daily drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, navigation system, power passenger seat, cooled front seat, power liftgate. Feel relaxed and restored on every journey in this smooth, quiet Nautilus. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.